Welcome to this video on creating stunning AI art. Artificial intelligence has opened up a world of possibilities in the field of art, and with the right tools and techniques, anyone can create beautiful and unique pieces of art using AI. In this video, we will walk you through the process of creating stunning AI art, from the basics of choosing the right software and tools to advanced techniques for adding depth and dimension to your art. Getting started with AI art. The first step in creating stunning AI art is to choose the right software and tools. Some popular options include Adobe Photoshop, Procreate, and GANbreeder. Each of these tools has its own strengths and weaknesses, so it's important to choose the one that best suits your needs and preferences. Once you have chosen your software and tools, it's time to start experimenting. Begin by playing around with different settings and parameters to see what kinds of results you can achieve. Try out different styles and techniques, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Adding depth and dimension to your art. Once you have a basic understanding of how to create AI art, it's time to take things to the next level. One way to add depth and dimension to your art is to incorporate 3D elements. You can do this by using software like Blender to create 3D models and then incorporating them into your art. Another way to add depth and dimension to your art is to experiment with layering. By layering different elements and effects, you can create a sense of depth and complexity that can make your art truly stunning. Finding inspiration and sharing your art. One of the best things about AI art is that there are so many different styles and techniques to explore. To find inspiration, try looking at the work of other AI artists or browsing online galleries. Once you have created your own stunning AI art, it's time to share it with the world. You can do this by posting your art on social media platforms like Instagram or Twitter, or by submitting it to online galleries and contests. Conclusion. Creating stunning AI art is a fun and rewarding process that anyone can enjoy. By choosing the right software and tools, experimenting with different techniques, and incorporating 3D elements and layering, you can create truly unique and beautiful pieces of art. So what are you waiting for? Start creating your own stunning AI art today. What do you think is the most exciting aspect of creating AI art? Please share your thoughts in the comment box below. Thank you for watching this video on creating stunning AI art. We hope that you have found this information useful and inspiring. Don't forget to share your thoughts on the most exciting aspect of creating AI art in the comment box below. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, feel free to let us know. And as always, keep creating.